Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the last part of this series, and already we made Facebook authentication and get the data from Facebook. But if the user log in using the traditional way, email and password, then you cannot get the email user name and also user image. So for that you need to get it from user phone. So for that we are doing some Firebase things like we are getting the data like image from user phone and upload it to the upload it to the Firebase storage and then get the reference URL and store it in the Firestore. It's quite simple but have some ways to do. Also some people facing that is like get download URL. This function is not working right now because this function is for older version of Firebase get Firebase storage dependency. But right now we are using the latest version and that function is not working for this version. We will get that by using some thing like some changes. I also covered this in this video. So keep watching this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first things first, we need one UI for displaying the thing. For that, I'm using this page. Okay, here let's create some UI. We need our image view, which should be 80dp by 80dp, and the ID. Okay, oh man, ID is user image. Right now I'm adding this as a source, but it can be changed. Okay, orientation is vertical. Perfect. And one is text view, which can be wrap content by wrap content. ID is user name, text, and we need one more text view for the user email. Okay. Um, Perfect. Now get that thing in our activity. We have one image view, which is user image, and have two text view. One is user name and user email. From here we do like that user image equals to user name this is user email perfect. We get all the things, but right now let's do like adding some Firebase to that thing. So we need Firebase Firestore and Firebase Auth and get here, get instance Firebase Firestore. Okay, mauth, that can be mauth. Now let's get the thing from Firebase. So Firebase first dot collection, and our collection name is database. Okay, that's not my, oops, this is my personal thing. Okay, that one is my project. Okay, Firebase auth, this one is perfect, I think. No, here it is. Okay, this is our collection name. Copy that and paste it here. And document is mauth dot get current user dot get get uid dot get dot add on complete listener. Perfect. So here, if task dot is successful, then we will get the thing. So for displaying the image, you need to get one library. It's glide. Actually, the name of the library is glide. It's basically used for displaying images. So just copy this dependency and paste it in your app level build file here and sync the project. Okay, one more thing. If you guys just want to know how to get download URL from that function, so you guys can check the pinned comment. I will pin the actual time from where the thing is start, so you can get the thing. So check the comment. Okay. Also, here let's do like string user. Okay, what type of thing, what type of key we used here? So user image, this is user image. Copy that. User image equals to task dot get result dot get string. Okay, string user name, I think so. Here it is. Username task dot get result dot get string, and the last one is user email. We can get it by mauth, but we will do like that. Task dot get result get string. Okay, perfect. So for the text field, user name, okay, we will check that if user already have the data or not. If the data is blank, then we need to show some text over there. So the thing is, the app didn't crash. Okay, so if user image, okay, that is the perfect way. Textual dot is empty user image, then glide dot weight, this is our profile. Oh, this is our user profile dot this dot load user image into user image, and if that is not available, then the source we added here will display. Okay. Okay, also go for the name. If text utils dot is empty, user name, then user name dot set text user name, otherwise that can be blank. And we miss one thing is user email, that we don't need if statement for this because we every time get the user email, because without email ID nobody can sign up. Okay, email. So let's run this application and see if the data is showing to our application or not. Okay, as you can see that our data is showing here as we sign up using Facebook. Okay, that's why our data is showing here. So let's delete our data from the database. So delete it from here, and so our data is deleted, and also delete it from the sign in method. Delete account and do a sign out here. Perfect. So right now we don't have our data, so let's create another account using my email ID, this one, and click on login. So it will create our application, create our account, and as you can see that our email ID is here, but our image and the name is not visible as we don't have the data in our database. As you can see here, okay, so let's do some thing. Okay, for choosing the data from your phone we need some permission. There are two permission, one is read and write, but we don't need the write functionality because we don't save anything in our phone. So we just need one permission, which is read external storage. Okay, and also if you are using the thing for Marshmallow and upper version, then you need to check user permission. Okay, so whenever a user click on this image view, then we should pop up something like that and get the data. For that, here on click, choose first let me check permission and create this method in our activity. Here we check that if activity manager, sorry, activity compact dot check self permission this with manifest dot permission dot read external storage equal package manager dot permission granted. If that then we can go for choose image, like we already have the permission. And if not, then check that. Actually we need to show user to accept the permission. This 20 is just a number, you can use anything here. It's just a request code which we check in our activity result. Okay, so it can be anything, but whatever you used here, you need to use it in, use the same thing in the activity result. Okay, and if the user denied the permission, then we need to show something message like storage permission is needed. And from here also, so the same thing here. Okay, perfect. Now let's create here an on request. Okay, on request permission result. If request code equal 20, which we pass here. Okay, if the request code is 20, then we further do some coding here. Grant result dot length equal to 1, and grant result 0 equal package manager dot permission granted. Both is true, then we show a message that permission is granted. And else so toast that permission is denied. And while the two permission is granted, then we also call the choose image function from here, so directly the thing is pop up. Okay, our permission check is done, and we will check it later, but we need one. Okay, we need two dependencies here, and this is one is image cropper, which allow us to choose image from gallery, or you can do like snapping image from camera and use it. And this one is compressor, which will compress our image so we can faster upload our image. Okay, so let's sync our project, and it will add the thing to our project. Perfect. Okay, so when the users run the permission, then we will come to this function, and here we will open our image cropper. Okay, so crop. Okay, crop image dot activity dot set guidelines and crop image view dot on. Okay, dot guideline dot on dot set aspect ratio as 1:1 and start with our activity user profile dot this, and it will throw us the data in our on activity result. So we here used on request permission result and also need on activity result. Okay, and in on activity result we check if, okay, one more thing. Okay, request code equal crop image dot crop image activity request code, then crop image dot activity builder, activity result equal crop image dot get activity result and pass the data, and if result code equals result, okay, then okay, we need one variable here. It's a URI. Actually the library gives you the URI of the image, so here is the URI and this is image URI, and then here set the thing as image URI equals result dot get URI, and user image dot set image URI. Perfect. And if anything goes wrong, we should check that result code equals crop image dot crop image activity result error code. It will then accept some equals result dot get error. Perfect. We're done with our image choosing thing. Okay, now we need to upload that, so we need one more button here, and the text is upload, and on click upload data. Okay, and here actually we don't do that like that, because we need it once more time. So get data, create this method and paste it under so we can get the data whenever we want. Just need to call that function. Okay, now here we check that string user actually is forgetting something. We do that as user name as text view, but text view cannot be editable, so we need edit text here. And so change it here. Okay, now string user name string equals user name dot get text dot to string. Perfect. So check that if text utils dot is empty username string, else so a toast at enter your name, and else we will do that upload image, and here pass this thing, create the method. And now we need one more dependency. It is for Firebase storage, so we need to store the data in our Firebase storage, otherwise we cannot get that. So add this dependency here, and it also has the latest version, and we are doing all the latest version. Okay, sync the project. Perfect. Now let's create storage reference here. Storage reference equals Firebase storage dot get instance dot get reference dot child, and give it a child name as user image. It's kind of folder name. Okay, and then we need storage reference image path equals storage reference dot child, and here I do like that mauth dot get uid plus dot jpg. Okay, I missed that. We don't need compressor, we don't do that, so let's remove this. Okay, so here we are using the image name as user uid and that the image as jpeg. Okay, now image path dot put file image URI, which we get from that, dot add on complete listener, new on complete listener. Here let's check that if our task is successful or not. If not, we should show a toast here. Something wrong in here, if the task is successful, then image path dot get download URL. From here you will get the URL. Okay, dot add on complete listener. Okay, here we need on success listener, which will give us the URI. And now we should create a hash map here, which we do like here, in the here, and copy this thing, paste it here, but we don't need that and that. We just need name, which is user name string, and URI dot to string, as we need user image as a string. And then we should call this, and if the task is successful, here we don't need set. Okay, here it need update, otherwise the data will be replaced with the new data, but we don't need that. And after the data is uploaded, we get data. Perfect, all thing is done. And if you guys can face any kind of issues, you can always comment down below. I will definitely reply you. And if you need personal assistant, you can always come to my Instagram or Facebook or WhatsApp, anywhere. I will definitely reply to your messages. Okay. And for both those guys who don't understand how to get download URL like thing, so here it is your code. In this way you can get download URL by using the latest updated dependencies. So guys, we done here. So let's run this application. Okay, our application is running. Here it is username, which is not available here. So first of all, let's add the image. So while you click on that, it will show us a pop-up dialog that to allow your device photo access. Click on allow. Okay, it's crashed, and I know why it is crashing, because we need some thing in our manifest. Okay, in your activity, in your manifest file, in under the application section, add this one, and it will not. It's required if you are not using any kind of app compact activity. Okay, so let's run it again. And we already allow the permission, so we don't need that again. So whenever we click here, it will directly show us the selected source. So we can select the image from photos or anywhere, and also from the camera. So I'm using my camera for now, and clicking image is done. Select that and crop it, anyhow, anywhere, crop it. And as you can see here, our image is set. Let's set a name here, day, which is my name. And now click on upload. So I didn't add the progress dialog, so we don't understand how it is working or not. So for understanding that, let's go here. It can be updated. Oops. Okay, I cannot understand. Is it working or not? Let's see storage here. In the storage section, user, we set as user photo, right? User image, and here it is user image. Whoa, there are so many images. Why? Image is not uploaded here. I need to change it, otherwise we cannot understand. Okay, let's add some progress dialog, otherwise it's totally difficult to understand. User image of Facebook, and add a progress dialog here. Progress, oops, dialog, new progress dialog, this dialog dot set message uploading image, and then dialog dot. So once the upload is completed, here I get the URI. So let's add log d and get the URI and change the dialog message to uploading data. And once that is done, we go to get data, and here, okay, no, we should dismiss the dialog here. Dialog dot dismiss, and if any error goes here, also dismiss to here also. Okay, let's run it again. What happened? Oh, our data is already uploaded. Why it is not? Oh, it takes some time, but uploaded. Okay, let's try again by changing some data. That's the person who forced me to make this video. Okay, let's take some image here again, and the image goes like, to understand the changes. Okay, and change the name as new and click on upload. So it's uploading image. Let's wait, as the image size is too big. I think so. So here, as you can see that our image is updated and the name is updated. So guys, in this way you can do the same thing. And thanks for watching this video and the whole series, and I will meet you in the next video. And you guys can also ask me for making videos and request me to make your chooses video. Where you are facing problems, come to me. I will make a video for you. And subscribe to my channel, like this video, and Bye bye.